everyone! My name is Steph.
And I'm Layla, and welcome back to Steph
and Layla. What are we doing today, Layla?
We're doing some painting and mixing of colours. Woohoo!
Right, are you ready? What about you, Layla? Are you ready?
I'm ready. Shall we do some painting?
I think so. What are we going to need to do our painting and mixing today?
Well, first of all, you need a bowl like this to mix your paints in. And you need a paintbrush like this so you can mix all your colours together.
Fantastic. And what else do we need?
You're going to need some paint. We have white and blue and yellow and red.
And I think we're going to make some pretty cool colours today with just 4 bottles of paint.
I think so too. That's why we're going to mix the colours.
So which 2 colours should we mix first, Layla?
Let's do red and yellow.
Red and yellow. So let's put a little bit of red in first.
Squeeze. Oh, that makes a nice sound, doesn't it?
It really, really does. And now let's put a little bit of yellow right next to the red.
Sounds like a good idea. Squeeze.
Fantastic. Right, we're going to mix these 2 colours together. But what colour do you think red and yellow makes?
That's right. It's orange, like my nose.
Let's do some mixing.
Mixy, mixy.
Right, there we go. We've got a nice orange colour.
Yeah, but it's not quite right.
Well, what do you mean?
Well, it's still quite dark, not like my nose.
Well, why don't we try putting some white in there and see if that makes it a lighter shade of orange?
Oh, that's a good idea.
Right, so we'll do a nice big squeeze of the white in there like this.
Squeeze!
And let's see if that makes it any lighter.
Mixy, mixy. Oh, that's much better. Thank you very much.
Okay, Layla, what colours should we mix next?
I think we should do yellow and blue.
Yellow and blue. And what colour do you think we will make if we mix yellow and blue?
That's right. It will be green.
Before we start mixing new colours, make sure that you have a nice clean base or next to where you've been mixing, and make sure to clean your paintbrush.
Why do we need to do that?
Because otherwise you'll get all of the orange into your green, and we don't want that.
No, we don't.
So let's put a squeeze of yellow.
Squeeze!
And next, let's put a little squeeze of blue.
Squeeze!
All right, your favourite part. Mixy, mixy.
Let's do it. Mixy, mixy. Oh, it's already working. That was so fast.
I know it was, wasn't it? Mixy, mixy.
Oh, I do like this colour. But again, it's very dark.
It is very dark. Should we try with some white again?
I think so.
Okay, let's put a little squeeze of white.
Squeeze!
Okay, mixy, mixy.
Let's do it. Oh, that's perfect. I love that colour already.
So do I.
Oh, this is so much fun. I love mixing colours together.
Yes. Okay, so we've done red and yellow to make
Orange,
and we've done yellow and blue to make
green.
so I think we've got 2 colours left.
Let's do red and blue.
And what colour will we get if we mix red and blue?
That's right. It's purple.
Purple. Let's do it.
But first, clean your bowl and clean your brush.
Exactly. Well done, Layla. Okay, Layla, let's make purple. First of all, we need a squeeze of red.
Squeeze.
And last of all, we need a squeeze of blue.
Squeeze. Let's get mixing. Mixy, mixy. Okay, I finished mixing. But again, it's very, very dark. It looks like a cherry.
It does look like a cherry colour, but let's try some white and make it a little bit lighter.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, squeeze.
Let's get mixing. Mixy, mixy. Oh, beautiful.
It does look beautiful, doesn't it? Oh, that's so much lighter.
Okay, we've done it. We've mixed all the colours together.
So we had at the start red,
Yellow
blue,
and white.
but now we also have,
Orange, green and purple.
and if we use the white,
We can make all types of different colours.
just from 4 paint bottles. How cool is that?
I love mixing paints. And now I can't wait to paint a picture or do some crafts.
Oh, fantastic. Do you like mixing paints?
Aw, that's amazing. Well, thank you so much for watching.
We will see you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.